Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix a contact poster not working after iOS 17 update on iPhone. So follow these easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily fix contact poster not working error. Just follow these steps. First of all, go to your contacts app and now tap on My Card. And now tap on contact photo and poster. And here first of all enable name and photo sharing. And then tap on name. And here write your first name and your last name and tap on done. Now tap on share automatically and here select contacts only. And now we have to create our contact poster. So tap on edit and to create a brand new poster just tap on create new or you can tap on this plus icon. And now here you will find 4 different options to create a brand new contact poster. So I'm going to creating a contact poster using Memoji. So here's I'm selecting a random emoji and tapping on next, and to change background color you can tap on this color box, and once you're happy with the background color tap on your name and from here you will be able to customize your name. Once done tap on done and tap on continue. And you can add a contact photo here. If you want to use a different photo, you can do it. Okay, once you successfully created your contact poster, now on, I hope your contact poster not working error will be fixed now. Okay, the second solution is we have to enable caller ID. So go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on phone, tap on show my caller ID, and here make sure show my caller ID is turned on and then check the error. And the next solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and then check the issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.